Today we're in the city of Colville, Washington. This is Chad Harchie with Solid Waste Systems, and we're here for the installation of a Maren PP60 2R. This is a fully automatic baler designed to automatically strap the bales as they're ejected from the baler. Machine runs at 3,800 psi and is capable of building a 1,550 to 1,600 pound bale. Running an Accent 470 timer. Again, the machine is fully automatic. Garbage truck backs up for cardboard, push it into the pit. Conveyor belt pulls it up into the baler. Machine automatically starts, builds a bale, spits it out, ties it, and it'll keep on ejecting the bales across the room. Machine is built with interlocking construction, structural integrity. All the cross members are fully interlocked. It's one of those heavy bales right there. Eject ram, more interlocking construction.
Okay. She is. So, no, that sounds good. All the things down on. Okay, sounds good. Oh, hey, Rich, did you get a chance to find that one on shit while we were doing the parked up? How are you using the yard?
If you have any questions, please call Solid Waste Systems at 509-533-9000.